Membership programs offer continued value for your customers while generating recurring income for your business. Plus, you get to make members-only jackets and have a secret handshake. But juggling different tools to build, manage, and monetize your membership site or paying big money and waiting for a custom site can make the process more trouble than it's worth. What if you could fully operate your membership program in one place with searchable directories, email marketing, and content publishing? You might be wondering about that software. So let's find out what software it is. The software I will discuss today is Brilliant Directories. Brilliant Directories makes setting up, managing, and monetizing your membership site a breeze, so you can focus on the members who make it. Features: create your own membership sites and business directories. Find everything you need to launch, manage, and monetize your membership site from the main dashboard. Creating and managing posts on Brilliant Directories is as easy as point and click. Get an overview of your transaction history, including payments received, upcoming payments, past due, refunded, and stopped. Website visitors can find, contact, and get matched with professionals in your directory. Sync your data with 5,000 plus apps. Powerful webhooks make it easy to integrate. Turbocharged membership themes, and more. So, launch your first membership website. Price: manage 100,000 members with any plan. Increase any time with their 3 plans. Monthly: includes premium hosting, friendly email support, manage 100,000 members, over 1,000 built-in features, easy payment processing, 100% unbranded/white labeled, and unlimited software updates for $145 per month, billed monthly. Yearly: includes premium hosting, friendly email support, manage 100,000 members, over 1,000 built-in features, easy payment processing, 100% unbranded/white labeled, and unlimited software updates for $950 per year, billed annually. And lifetime: includes premium hosting, friendly email support, manage 100,000 members, over 1,000 built-in features, easy payment processing, 100% unbranded/white labeled, and unlimited software updates for $1,450 billed one time. All plans include the features below: directory essentials, member management, finance tools, easy content publishing, lead generation tools, design tools, email and marketing, SEO management, developer tools, website resources, and free support tools. But they have some lifetime deals. License Tier 1, 250 members, sell digital downloads, members-only content, easy coupon codes, free trial periods, and billing reminder emails for $89 instead of $1,069. License Tier 2, 1,000 members, sell digital downloads, members-only content, easy coupon codes, free trial periods, billing reminder emails, tax, and VAT manager. Click to call, Google Sitemap Generator, featured article slider, and paper post for $199 instead of $1,339. License Tier 3. All features from Tier 2 Plus. 10,000 members. Click to call, Google Sitemap Generator, featured article slider, paper post, private member chat, pin featured posts, reply to reviews, announcement bar. Facebook and Google login, filter by star rating, global website search, 14-day website backups, and claimable listings for $299 instead of $1,699. License Tier 4. All features from Tier 3 and 25,000 members for $349 instead of $1,969. And License Tier 5. All features from Tier 4 plus 50,000 members, developer tools, Zapier integration, webhook support, and ChatGPT content creator for $499 instead of $2,869. Customer review. You will be amazed if you see their reviews. They have 763 reviews on the Appsumo. Trustpilot has 451 reviews. G2 has only 8 reviews. And on Capterra, there are 661 reviews. So, take advantage of this opportunity to save time and increase productivity. Check the link in the description for a lifetime deal and an extra 10% discount today. Remember to comment if you need a review of any software. Oh wait!
If you need a video editor, audio engineer, or YouTube manager, feel free to contact us. See you in the following video. Thank you.